JR. This is his van who carries, dadalhin niya kayo around here in Eden. So kung saan ka pang pupunta, siya ang bahala dahil napakalaki ng Eden. Di ba, kuya?
Yes,
Ayan. Kaya ito na, sakay na tayo. Pupunta na kami sa pool. Hello, good afternoon. Today is my 45th birthday and I am celebrating it here in Eden Nature Park in Davao. Ang ganda dito. Look at this place. I have it all by myself. Konti lang ang tao ngayon. Syempre, hindi naman summer. This is a very nice place. At dahil birthday ko, they found out that it's my birthday. They have sent me a very nice cake with a boy there. Hello!
Hi.
Happy birthday to me! Kaya, enjoy your life. Be joyful. Be nice. Be kind. At for more of my birthday and Eden Nature Park in Davao, please do visit my blog.
www.occasionsofjoy.com.
See you here and see you in my blog. Happy birthday! Enjoy your life! It's very short, kaya dapat happy lang. Are having fun here at Eden Nature Park pool. Sobrang kami lang and the Infantado family with Joshua, Caleb, and Biel. Biel, hello. Please do visit my blog at www.occasionsofjoy.com. See you there. Okay, you'll be there. You'll be there. See you. Look at this place. Ang ganda. Sobrang sulit ito. Kaya this is one of the happiest birthday in my entire 45 years on earth. There's my boyfriend. Visit this place. Ganda, oh. So, na-enjoy niya ang company ni Joshua.
You learn a lot.
Oh, even with younger people, no? At, teka lang, hahabulin ko na yung mga chokrang ko. Hello! Hindi man lang tayo nakapag-video doon. From Davao po, ano? Yes, from Davao. Ma'am, name po?
Ako si Beng.
Miss Beng, Carla,
Neneng.
and Miss Neneng. Thank you. Joy Menjola. Please add me in Facebook if you can. Yes, because this will be in my blog. Kasama kayo. Bye! Nice meeting you. Thank you.